How to enable two-step verification on Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Telegram application on your device over here and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen and here select on settings. As you select on settings, scroll down and tap on the option of privacy and security. Now select on the option of two-step verification at the top. So let's tap on set password and let's just enter the password over here. Then re-enter the password again and then tap on next. Now you can create a hint. So let's create that, and here you can just enter your recovery email ID so that whenever you forget the password, then you can recover it. So it will send a verification code to this particular email. So you just have to wait and enter the verification code. So let's wait. Or you can directly just go for your Gmail ID over here and look for the verification code. So let's wait for a few more seconds. And as we search for it, you can see the verification code. So let's enter it. And as it's done, you can just now see the password has been set. So you can return to settings and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.